Installing Roblox on your computer or mobile device allows you to play games and explore the platform. This tutorial outlines 3 methods to download and install Roblox. What the process does: Roblox can be installed through official app stores or directly from the Roblox website. The installation process is similar across Windows, mobile devices, and other platforms. After installation, you sign in to access the game library and start playing. Method 1. Install via Microsoft Store or App Store. Open the Microsoft Store on Windows or the App Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type Roblox, select the official Roblox for Windows application from the results. Click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, click Play to launch the app. Then sign in with your Roblox account. Method 2. Install via the official Roblox website. Open your browser and go to roblox.com. Look for the download button. Click on Download Roblox, not Roblox Studio. Once the installer downloads, run it and follow the on-screen instructions. After installation, the app will appear on your computer and you can sign in to start playing. Method 3. Direct download link. You can also navigate directly to roblox.com/download. Choose your device and click Download. The installer will download and the setup process will begin. Sign in after installation to access your account. Sign in and launch. After installation, click Play or launch the Roblox app from your desktop. Click Sign in and enter your email and password. If you do not have an account, create a new one directly from the login screen. The game will launch once you sign in. Limitation: Roblox Studio is a separate application for creating games and should not be confused with the main Roblox player. If you accidentally install Roblox Studio instead of Roblox, you may need to download the correct version. This guide is best suited for users who want to start playing Roblox games on their personal devices.